So it's been a little bit since I filmed the video. Now it's summertime here, and I got this truck, and I don't really remember the last video I did, but I pulled the motor and transmission out of this truck. I painted the transmission. I only actually did it to paint the motor, but I didn't do it. But I got it back in here now and got it running last weekend. And it kind of runs now, You have to put fuel directly into the carb. I can't do it now because my battery died. But now I don't have, well, what I did is I had to cut the power steering lines. Well, this one twisted, then I had to cut this one. This one I was going to cut a piece from that truck over there. I'll slip it over it. But this one I'm making something for it. So that truck has no motor in it, and I kind of lost motivation on that truck to get it running again. So I was taking some parts from its motor and stuff. But here's one of its power steering lines right here. So I took this, and this part feeds into like the rack on that truck pretty well, but it's obviously a full. And this is what's supposed to go into the rack, but that one fits, and that goes into the pump. But this don't fit, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it somewhere around here, and then I made this, or actually this is just another power steering line, but I cut this up. There's one right there, and then I just cut it up, took out the middle piece, and then I'm gonna, hopefully after I cut this, I'm gonna cut it right here. Actually no, since this is the end I don't need, I'm just gonna cut a random piece off there and see if it fits on, and if it doesn't, I have some more tubes in that truck I can take, but hopefully this works. I'll show you next time I get something done here. So I got the line here, cut off hand, and I already did it because I tried to film this once and it didn't work with one hand, but the tube I cut from the middle pieces, or the middle part, fits on here pretty well actually. I'll see if I can disconnect it here. Oh, I did it, so I don't need this anymore, so I can just go right there. But now what I need to do is I need to figure out how short or how long I need to cut this here, and I'll slip that tube on, and then this part will thread into this just fine. I can't do it with one hand, but I can. But I'm gonna have to angle this, and then I'll have to cut this a bit too, because this is obviously a little racketed. And then that'll be good there, and then I'll have made my own string off this kinked end here, whatever. And then that fitting, where's that old fitting? Right here. So I can't do it apparently. So yeah, it was all twisted up, and it came out, but she twisted. So I forgot to mention in the video, I'm gonna need 2 pieces of tubing or whatever, but I'll just cut a really short piece for that one. And then this I'm gonna make it right now, so I'm gonna have to clean no, I won't, don't matter. But now I'm gonna put it back together, or get it together. So I cut the line down a little bit, cut her about, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. I got a hose clamp off that truck over there, it fit. Just put it on here. Oh shoot, I need to get another one on there. Whoops. But I need to get another hose clamp on there, I just realized now. But I'm gonna thread this in now. I already hand threaded, but it's getting a little tight. So then put a hose clamp there. This line will be done. And then this one, I just need to cut another piece of pipe, or a rubber hose here, and then get some hose clamps. My camera's very dirty right now too. Let's clean that. Good. So I did this here now quickly. I got some loom from the old line, so it's pretty big because the older lines are bigger, but I got that on there. I got the hose clamps on there now, both of them. I just cut that out. It's pretty tight, and 2 hose clamps won't fit on there properly. And the old line was like this. It's better, kind of higher quality material or whatever. But this was like the part that went from like the rack to the pump, and then there was like this part would go like to get like the bends and stuff. But yeah, I got that. Right now I'm just gonna hook it all up. This one should be good because it's never been out, so I just need to screw this one in now. I need to find my 5/8 wrench. Oh, it's right there. But I'll just quickly, maybe I'll just I'll just throw the loom on that one also, and oh good. DIY power steering lines. And here's the final product. Very crucifixy of a reveal here, but got it in there. So just again, I got some old loom from some old power steering lines from that truck. I got the part that goes into the rack here. I got some old tube, And then I got some more stuff, and there's some more stuff, and all looks good together. So I actually only pretty much used an angle grinder, 5/8 wrench, the razor blade, and hose clamps. And they work very nice.